It's early finish Friday and I've made my way to Costco. Because where's better to come and collect some bits before heading to the United States? Too expensive for me, that's for sure. Not the most successful trip to Costco, but more on that later. Anyhow, it's just gone 2 o'clock. I'm gonna head my way back home and I'll see you when I'm there. And I'm home. Say hello. Hey, who's this? Who's that? So I'm back home after a fairly unsuccessful trip to Costco this afternoon. As I'm flying out to the States in just 5 days time and being in Watford, I thought use it as an opportunity to go and get some bits for my holiday. Unfortunately, Costco only really wants you to bulk buy and, well, for my holiday, I don't really need 8 toothbrushes, although I hope not anyway. Nice. So I just recently ordered some of these headphones. They're a pair of Beats by Dr. Dre, second hand off of eBay. They were opened but never used. Any item of value, including a car or a pair of headphones, the moment you take them out of the box, lose a big chunk of their value. The reason for me buying these pair of headphones off of eBay is because I've just recently got myself a brand new laptop from Asus. This is an Asus VivoBook S15 edition, which is, yeah, it's a really nice laptop. I got a very good discount off of that as well. I'm going to go into a bit more depth a little bit later on about this laptop, about the spec. I got these headphones to enhance the quality of my editing experience. As you can see behind me, I've got all of this clutter and a nice big shelf up here I want to tidy with this afternoon. And we're finished. I don't know about you, but when I go away, I love to leave my room in a tidy state. And as you can see now, I've obviously finished with the shelf, which is very nice. Got some camera equipment here, got some tennis trophies here, got some sprays here, and some old boxes over here. I guess it's probably a wise idea I actually try these headphones out before I recommend buying second hand off eBay to too many people. But yeah, let's give it a quick go. I've just finished up at tennis. A good 2.5 hour hit this evening. I got a really nice video of the sunset as well, which I'm very happy about. It's a new day. I've come downtown to get a very overdue haircut. Oh, so I've just finished up getting my haircut. What do we think? Yeah, I'm now going to head downtown as I need to get some bits for my trip. I need to get some deodorant, some other toiletries and bits and pieces. And yeah, let's roll the B-roll. Shit, it's raining. Gonna put the camera away. I would have made more videos around the shopping centre, but with the amount of rubbish on the floor and vape clouds in the air, you probably wouldn't have seen anything really. I haven't really got anything else on today that's at all exciting, so I will see you all tomorrow. Aww. Look at this good girl. Today it's Sunday, and although I'm not going for another couple of nights, I just want to get everything sorted and packed so I can relax knowing that everything is on its way. I've had a very busy, stressful week, just another week in recruitment, so I've used today to recharge the batteries, ready for Wednesday. Today was extremely windy. I couldn't play tennis because of it, so I made a time lapse. Just look at this. This camera can actually shoot for up to half an hour. And with the winds today around 32 miles an hour, yeah, I'm quite happy with that time lapse. So that's the second time I've done that effect in this video now. I must say, editing with Premiere Pro makes things so much easier. Jean Paul, Mont Blanc, Burberry, camera gear, charging brick, power bank, AirPods that need charging, t-shirts that need folding and ironing, socks, a light jumper because it's LA and it's going to be quite warm, shorts, boxer shorts but you don't need to see them, Vans, swimming shorts because I'm going to go catch some great whites, and some smaller toiletries, some sun cream, deodorant and some body wash that can fit in my hand luggage. T-shirts are now all ironed and folded, as you can see. There's just one more thing we need to do. And we're finished. So you might be wondering about what bag it is that I use and how I get this massive great thing on the plane. So this particular bag is 44 litres in size, in fullness. So the good thing about using one of these bags is that the dimensions are just about small enough to fit in the cabin of the aircraft. I've never been told off at the front of the queue. This bag has served its purpose nicely for me. Of course, if you're flying with low-cost carriers like Ryanair or Spirit Airlines, if you're in the US for that matter, then a bag of this size probably isn't going to make the cut. So yeah, I'll put the link below so you can go and check that bag out. Use code WILLOW at checkout for no money off. Okay, it's Monday, the 25th of March. I've been at work all of today. We're just 2 days from when I fly to Los Angeles. That being said, I've just had an email come through from Southwest with my flight from LAX to Las Vegas, as although I haven't really mentioned it much in this video, I'm not just going to Los Angeles, I'm also going to be spending just 24 hours in Las Vegas. Now, I've never really been a betting man. I lost £20 on the 2021 Wimbledon when I voted for Federer to win in the quarter-final and he lost 3-love to Hubert Hurkacz. And ever since that day, I've never once set foot on a gambling site. So I'm not going to be going to Las Vegas to put all of my life savings on the black or the red. However, I do want to go just to tick it off my list, just to say I've been, and I've got an exciting video planned for that day. So yeah, I think I'm going to cut this video here, although we are obviously 2 days away. Tomorrow I'm just seeing my friend Matt. We're going for a walk around the canal or something like that. I'm not really too sure. It depends what the weather's like. I guess we are still in March. It's still polar outside at the moment. So I guess I'm not really doing too much that warrants me to take my camera with me. Unfortunately, I've got one more day at work tomorrow and a nice early finish before flying off to Los Angeles on Wednesday. And of course, you're all hopefully going to come along the way. So guys, look, thank you for your time. I really appreciate you watching along this video. I know it's been a bit of a mumbo jumbo. I've been figuring different bits and bobs out regarding editing styles. Obviously, I want to keep you all as engaged as possible. Do I do more B-roll? Do I do less B-roll? Do I talk more? Do I talk less? Am I just going to annoy everyone? I don't really know where I'm at the moment, but I guess I'm very early on in the stage of this YouTube channel, and right now is the opportunity to try things out, to give things a go, and if it doesn't work, it really isn't the end of the world. So look, thank you all for coming, I appreciate you watching, and I will see you all at the airport.